So we are seeing now they are posting, like they are trailing us, they are giving us bits and bits of season 9. We can see that they are shooting. We can see ukubana they always do makeup, that you can see that they are on the studio. You can see even the whole family is at the back. You can normally see Musamseleko right at the back. You can see all of that. So they are preparing for season 9, because we sing like everyone is coming back with a bang. We can see Umangwabe looking all beautiful. We can see Uma Kumalo as always, Uma K as always. She's always been like the top tier, the cherry on top of the cake. So she is bringing nothing but the best. We sing Bakona Umayeni naye. Oh, everyone is coming back.